Hello and welcome to Geeky Bit Bonus. Today we're gonna clean up a Macintosh LC. So I want to make one thing clear. This isn't a restoration video or a retro bright video. This video was just meant to show me cleaning up a Macintosh LC before recapping it. Sadly, the plastic was so brittle I had damaged some pieces while cleaning it, and the rust on the I/O was a little too much for me to feel safe about this Macintosh LC without doing a full restoration. So this is what the top of the case looks like, and this is what the inside looks like. Alright, now let's go talk about cleaning supplies. I have some Doxit here, I have some IPA, and I also have a brush for getting into corners, and then I have rags, and then of course I also have a tool to help me get things in corners as well. Alright, cue the cleaning montage. So now you're just gonna watch me clean a bunch of stuff at a very high speed. So I hope this portion of the video is fun for you, because this is the first time I've done something like this. I'll see you when it's done. We had some fun, we had some laughs, we saw a floppy drive that was so rusted, we questioned whether or not it was iron ore instead of iron. Honestly, I don't know if that floppy drive is ever gonna work again. So this isn't a restoration video, just keep that in mind, that this computer looks 1,000 times better, but at the same point in time, we're just here to get the grunge off of it and any stuff that could potentially cause additional corrosion or damage to the system. Because I don't feel just safe recapping this and calling it done, this won't be a part of the recapping video for my Macintosh LC. But I will be recapping this off camera, along with some other devices that I'm going to be recapping off camera. But once I get it recapped off camera and get everything ready, I will probably do a full restoration video showing me restore this, including fixing some broken plastic pieces on it. So here are my thoughts. I felt like I was handling this unit with kid gloves, but some of the plastic still broke, and it definitely is going to get fixed later, like I said. So I was thinking about how I could fix the I/O metal plates, and I think I should be able to get replacement components for them online relatively cheap, and I will be doing that. And just so you aren't worried, I have gone ahead and removed all of the caps from this board so that they can be replaced at a later time, but don't cause any corrosion damage in the meantime. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it, and if so, feel free to click that like button, and if you aren't subscribed so already, feel free to do so, and if you'd like to get notifications of future videos I do, click that bell button.